Good morning, everybody. My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. Pardon my voice. I am kind of losing my voice. I have a sore throat. Not feeling the greatest, but we're going to press on and turn it over to Kathy and start pulling what sold for us today.
I'm feeling great.
Yeah. I feel okay. It's just a sore throat, and I'm a little tired, but that's nothing major.
Away from me, dude. 6 feet, please. I'm just kidding. It's not COVID. Just
No, it's definitely not COVID.
All right. So Stephanie, I wanted to say thank you for buying us 2 coffees, and she said, having been a reseller on and off for over 20 years part-time and a career as a 911 dispatcher for 27 years. Wow. 2.5 years to retirement. I appreciate those of you who have courage to go in front of the camera and spill all the beans, good and bad. I'm much more comfortable behind the headset. Coffee, shots, and cheers to you both. So thank you so much, Stephanie.
Thank you
for your service in 911.
Absolutely.
An important job. And what else was I going to say? Oh, I don't think I'll ever actually be comfortable doing this YouTube thing, but I do what I can, I guess. All right, so let's pull some sales.
If I told her how many people actually watch these videos, she might stop.
I know. That's true. All right, so this first sale is actually going to a viewer, and it's a bundle. Grab both items. BRAP. Alrighty, so this is going to our viewer Ashley, who I think has bought from us before. And she bought these on Kitizen, so she bought childhood shorts and a Lulu and Rue hoodie. This is like Where the Wild Things Are theme. So
cool.
Super cute. Both my kids' items, so I did pay probably retailer close to it for these. She bought them for $52 free shipping. Shipping cost me $5.15 through Kitizen, and yeah. So making back some money on those, and thank you, Ashley.
Yes.
2 of my favorites, so hopefully you love them as well.
Ashley, thank you so much for all the support.
Let's send those in a cute pumpkin mailer.
You're getting a pumpkin mailer.
All right, and this is actually a viewer sale as well.
Wow.
So BI, it's another bundle too. CK. Reese, what are you doing?
Reese is deciding to not lay on his bed today.
We got our new couch this morning.
Yeah.
And we have let him on our old couches because they were just bad anyways, but we don't really want him on the new couch because he has this bed, he has another bed, he has plenty of places to lay that are a lot more comfortable than that one, but he wants to get on the new couch.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
That, and I think he's a little stressed out about it. You know, when things change in the house, dogs get kind of weird, but...
That's what I thought his deal with the bed was, just new, but who knows?
And we'll show you guys all that soon. It's still kind of like very in disarray
Chris
downstairs.
has most of the living room floor done, but you have to take out the trim, and
I still have to replace the trim.
Like, patch it back up, so we haven't put that back yet. So.
And we're gonna get into like new area rugs and stuff like that. Yeah. So it's gonna be a little while before we get the house in order.
At a time.
But right now, absolutely, it's not. We don't feel comfortable sharing because it's just a disaster down there right now.
Yeah. So this is our viewer Joy, and she bought these through the global shipping, and I'm pretty sure at least her profile looked like she lived in Singapore. So
wow,
so cool. Joy bought these Fit Flops sandals, and then the Calvin Klein from my recent bins haul. So I have only $5 into the shoes from Retail Arbitrage, and then this was, I didn't write down the breakdown. The 2 items together I have $5.92 into, and Joy bought them for $50.49 plus shipping. So
Joy, thank you so much for the support. Singapore, that's somewhere I've actually always wanted to go visit.
Yeah, and I think she wrote a note. Let me see. Yeah, hi Chris and Kathy, always looking forward to buy from your store and support as well. I love watching your videos and excited for new videos. I love how you organize your room, and of course your dog Reese. God bless you and your family. So
thank you. Say thank you, Reese. That's about as much as you're going to get out of them, Joy. Thank you again for the support.
Yeah, and I think I'm shipping those out. I think they'll both fit in a shoebox. I'm just shipping them to Kentucky, and then they'll ship them to you.
Yeah, and Joy, if you don't mind, we've never really had a viewer buy from us through global shipping.
Yeah.
we're kind of curious as to how it ends up on your doorstep.
Yeah,
So
let us know if it comes in like the same box that we send it in, because I'm pretty sure they open it there, and I thought repackage it somehow.
Yeah.
Not necessarily to get it safer, but just, I don't know, to make sure that I'm sending the correct item and then they're forwarding it to you. So yeah, let us know what the packaging is. Send us a picture on Instagram or something if you have it.
Or just leave a comment and say, you know, I guess maybe describe it a little bit. That would be very helpful, and we would be very grateful for that.
Interested. Okay. AQ. These are just some Clarks, like Chelsea booties. I have $6 into them, and they sold for $31.11 plus shipping. So those are also gonna ship out in a shoebox. And I just grab a few because I know a lot today is shipping out in a shoebox. Makes my life pretty easy. Alrighty, and then AL. This was a good sale. I mean, all sales are good sales. I don't know, some like to surprise me more than others. I don't know why I'm surprised, but these are Mephisto, which is a great brand. These are men's. I don't know if I've ever sold men's before. And they're just loafers, but they're missing their insoles. And they still sold for $53.36 plus shipping, so really good. I mean, these do cost like $200 new, so I guess it makes sense.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy to add a pair of insoles, so I only paid $5.99 for these though at Salvation Army. So very happy with that little flip. Shoebox for those. All right, and then box W. These are some Asics. They are basically new without box. I did get them at Goodwill though for $9.99, and they sold for $44.46 plus shipping. So another great little
Very good
sale.
sale, yeah.
Going out in a shoebox.
Shoebox Central today.
Box C. This was another shoe sale from Poshmark. These are just some kids' Jungle Book Vans. So Disney Jungle Book. I have $5.99 into them. They sold for $40. Someone offered $40. I accepted. Happy with that.
Those are a little small for a shoebox.
Yeah, I'll do a regional A on those. Since it's Poshmark. Alright. And then BO or BD. Let's find out.
You check BD first since we're right here.
We don't see it. BO.
Yeah, usually if there's a problem with our inventory, it's our own fault.
Alright, so I sold those Crocs Islander with the messed up shoelace.
Oh, yeah.
So obviously less than if they were in good shape. I mean, they're still in great shape other than that.
Yeah, the
The
shoelace.
thread is really good. Like, they honestly look hardly worn, but
They're leather laces, and it's got like a cut or a tear in one of them. They're broke apart.
still usable as is, or you could switch it out to something else. But I did pick these up at Play-Doh, so I paid up for them at $17.50, but they sold for $47 plus ship. So
Wow.
more than doubling our
Yeah.
money still. But yeah, if you find these in good shape, not a broken lace, you can probably get 80 to 100 or so.
And that's actually a rare occurrence of us buying something that we know is damaged.
Yeah.
We don't
I just
really
kinda wanted
do
to
that.
See if it was. I've just been wanting to find those so bad, and I found two others, but they were like kids pairs, and this was an adult size, so
Yeah.
I really just wanted to see how they would do, and they did well. They didn't sell super fast, obviously, probably because of the broken lace.
Well, we still made a profit, even from Play-Dohs, so that's pretty good.
Yeah. Okay,
That's what we got.
that's what we got.
All right, we're gonna get this stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. A little bit of a shorter video today, but you stuck. But we'll be right back.
This hot for you.
All right, guys, got everything all packed up. Reese's still avoiding his bed today.
I'm about to put it on top of him.
We had another.
He's gonna be the bed.
Yeah, we had another sale come in though.
Yeah, viewer sale from Yelena. I think it's Yelena. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that wrong. She bought 2 items. So the first is in box P here. Alright, so she bought these Chloe flats. So I generally don't find a ton of, I don't know, I would consider probably Chloe a designer item, but I thought these were really nice flats. I could tell they were like nice leather before I even saw the brand name. So I grabbed those. And then box AI. Where you at? Alright. The Forever 21 sweater. And that's like a perfect match.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is so cute. All right. So, I didn't really write down what sold for what, but the total for the bundle sold for $93.37 plus shipping.
Wow.
So, thank you so much, Elena.
Thank you
I hope
so
you
much,
love these shoes, the sweater. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, and I think she said she had been looking for those shoes at a reasonable price for a long time. So
that's awesome.
I'm glad we were able to provide. And thank you so much for that support. It's very much appreciated.
Yes.
Even though Reese doesn't act like it.
Wake up, bro. Hey, you.
Anyway, it is Saturday, and our local post office is closed. They stopped taking stuff at 11:30, and it's about 12:30. So Kathy's gonna take this in town a little bit, maybe go thrifting a little bit, and I might go take a little nap. I'm feeling kind of tired right now. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all of our amazing support from our viewers. You guys are amazing. Thanks for helping us keep this dream alive. And thank you so much. So we're going to call it a day here, guys. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.